Look at this. Good start for Sunday. Alright guys, here we are, Island Comino on the Malta, between Malta and Gozzo, Florы. We do have just a couple hours, it's not such a big. Mr. Pane Jane.
Hey, Dimi.
This is Pani Kara. Okay guys, ready? Oh, not straight away. It's a stunning view. Malta, Comino. Oh, it's such a beautiful view. Really stunning one. Okay, so Yannick wants to get on that rock, on that high. So Karen and me, we decide, yeah, why not? So now we are going slowly this way and then this way and then gonna be on the top. So we'll see what kind of view from the top. So Kara, she said it's cool. Kara?
Very cool. I like it.
So we are coming to St. Mary's Tower. This is interesting tower. Let's see if we can go inside. Mr. Yannick, Pane Yannick. Janek, jak się mają?
Dobrze.
Dobrze. Just walk. Okay, Kara, tell us what it is, what the building, this one.
Well, we think it's a hospital.
How can we check?
From Google.
Google, Uncle Google. Help! Help!
Mental asylum.
Right. So, India. Hey guys, have a smile. So we found some spot for swimming. Kara is gonna swim. She's gonna be a swimmer today. Jan, I'm not sure if he would like to swim. Pan he's still considering. Yeah, such a beautiful spot actually. We do have 1 hour before our small ferry is gonna pick us up. Yeah, like nice spots. But before we have to have some snack, and I think Pan Jan he's agree with me. Okay, what do we have? Water, some nuts, bananas. Yes, bananas. Pan Jan, would you like banana?
I have, you know.
Okay, you do have it. Your own banana. Well, Pan Jan, he said it's quite cold. I agree with him. It's not such a nice. I mean, it's not hot, but still, it's doable. I hope so. Funny Kara as well. But such a beautiful view. Just remember from where you're gonna coming back. Well, jump. It's cold, but when you're coming out, you feel your body like refreshing. Huh? Yeah. After it only better. Give some stuff, you know, for your body. You're still young, you're still energetic. Jump, look at even Kara. Yes, good one. You see?
It's nice.
Okay, Pan Jan. On the way to the water, on a beautiful blue lagoon. Okay, so we discovered this small island. This is Kara. She has some snack, I guess even lunchtime. This is Pan Jan. He did his stuff, whatever everything what he wanted. He jumped in the water. Congratulations, young man. Yeah, so we almost finished our small trip on the Comino. It took like 3 hours to walk around all the island. It's such a nice, beautiful lagoons around, beautiful view. So yeah, I would say we can recommend it, yeah? So don't forget, ask questions, subscribe, and see you next time. Hasta la vista, baby.